Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Snibe Dynastic product of Maglumi tip. Over here we can see the product name Maglumi tip contains 20 into 192 tips. That means this box contains 20 boxes. Each box contains 192 tips. We can see later. The reference number of this product is 130-208-000-201. Here we can see lot number and expiry date also. This is a C certificate IVD product. One instruction manual is there. We can store away from direct sunlight. The temperature between 2 degrees Celsius to 46 Celsius. And here we can see the manufacturing address also. This product is manufactured from China. So the origin of the kit is China. It is a Snibe Dynastic product, Snibe Dynastic MAGLUMI. Here the overall view of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. On the top we can see opening. After open this product, I am going to show you take this cardboard box also. Here we can see on the top one instruction manual is there. Indian tubes. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Dynastic. Product name Maglumi tip. Indian tubes. Summary. Reference number 130-208-000-201. 20 into 192 tips. 20 boxes, 192 tips. Each box contains 192. Also a QC card is there. I'm going to take this out. So on the top we can see total 5 boxes. And also then 5, totally 20 boxes. In the box we can see Maglumi tip, Snibe Dynastic Maglumi tip contains 2 into 96 tips. Lot number, then expiry date also, then manufacturing address. This is the overall view. On the back side we can see the disposable tips here. Yeah, 1 set and 2 set. This is the represents here 2 into 96. So one set contains 96, another set contains 96. So one box contains 192 tips. So overall 20 boxes in a carton box. So 20 into 192 tips. I repeat, 2 into 96. So one box contains 192 tips. This carton box contains overall 20 boxes, so 20 into 192 tips. I'm going to take this out also. So the first row is over, then second row. And also we can see I'm going to take this row again. So there's a 4th row. So there are total of 20 boxes there. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about the Snibe product Maglumi tip. This carton box contains 20 into 192 boxes. Each box contains 192 tips. This is the overall view. Thank you.